in the crossfire.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a video for you guys in Malayalam. So if you guys want a small backup on me, I actually learned or picked up Malayalam in my 11th and 12th grade when I was in the school where there were mostly Malayalis and most of my friends were Malayalis. I'm a Tamilian by birth, so Malayalam is not that easy for me to pick on, but I think I do, there are a few words that are similar, so let's get right to it. Namaskaram. Ende channelukku ellarkum namaskaram. Swagatham. Okay, so just in case you guys are wondering who that second voice is from, my best friend, who is an actual Malayali from Kochi, is here, and she told me she'd help me out when I'm actually gonna go wrong, which is probably throughout the entire video. So let's start again. Namaskaram. Ende channelukku ellarkum swagatham. Innu njan oru makeup tutorial cheyyam Malayalathil. Woohoo! That was like without your help. Ippom njan oru stippling brushil foundation eduthu. Oh, that's right. Oh man. Okay. Okay. Innu njan oru stippling brushil foundation eduthu mugathil innum mugathil tekan pogayana. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. This is happening today. Nan indu oru bridal makeup cheyanam. Kalyana pennu makeup tutorial cheyam. Kalyana pennu? Correct. Ah, yeah, thank God. Ende chimiki kamal. Ende pen kattundu poi. Ende pen brandi kupi. Ende ma kudichitite. I don't even know if I was right. Was I right?
Yeah.
Well, thank you. I have a lot of Malayali friends, so I have to. Njanippam facial pressed powder, facial mogathil pressed powder innu idam poganu. Oh no, that's like not a. I need a kabuki brush, people. Where is my kabuki brush? Oh, there you go. Found my kabuki brush. Kabuki brush use cheyam. Use, what do you say use? Upayogikyam. Face powder illa. Mogam powder. Okay, fine, face powder. Face powder kalanja? Or did I say? Or is it like eating? What am I saying?
It's better than karachu.
Karachu means eating, yeah? Oh, sorry if I said that earlier. Face powder kalanja njanippam contour cheyyam mogathil. I'm good. I'm not bad at this. Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette upayogikyam. I'm really bad at this. Oh god. OUD edit apply cheyyam. Ippadi ingene. It's like Tamil. Eyeshadow palette use cheyyam contour also.
Okay.
What do you say also? Is that fair enough?
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, I know it says also in Malayalam. I mean, not even in Tamil. I don't know what you say for also. What do you say for also? blend ചെയ്യാം.
As in adum ചെയ്യാം. Adum like
അതും ചെയ്യാം. Blend ചെയ്യാം.
blendum ചെയ്യാം.
Blendum ചെയ്യാം. Colorum. What else you say for? Colorum. Dressum.
Dressum ചെയ്യാം.
Sapadum. No, you guys say sapadalla.
ഭക്ഷണം.
Bhakshanam. I thought it's something like bhakti. I thought bhakshanam meant like the thing that they give you guys in the temple.
No, that's prasadam.
Prasadam is same for everyone in that case.
Yeah.
Even Hindi people say prasadam. Blend kalichu. Kalinne. Oh, I get it. Sorry. So the reason we're laughing is kalichu is what you say after you're done eating food. And that's what I've been saying till now. So, kalinne. Blend kalinne. Highlight cheyam. Highlight cheyiradukku.
ചെയ്യുന്നതിന്.
Highlight cheyyunnathu. Cheyyunnathu.
ചെയ്യുന്നതിന്.
I'm literally cheyyunnathu. Highlight cheyanum. Contour kalinje. Ippum highlight cheyam. Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette ledundu shade Kashmir ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. ഫേസിന്റെ ഹൈ പോയിന്റ്സിൽ ഹൈലൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. I know, I'm damn good at this. I told you, you're not my first Malayali friend. I have other Malayali friends. Highlight kalinje conceal cheyam. The reason why I did my... You need to tell me how I say this. So the reason why I did the highlighter and contour before the concealer is because they're more pigmented.
Those two things. First, ചെയ്തതിന് കാരണം. കാരണം what is pigmented?
The eyeshadows are more pigmented.
കാരണം eyeshadows കൂടുതൽ pigmented ആയതുകൊണ്ട്.
What she said.
Oh.
I'm gonna put a we here. So that definitely couldn't be done in Malayalam because come on, no judgments, people. Ippam blend cheyam. Contour kalinje ippam mugathe bake cheyam. People are gonna hate me. But I'm trying to speak someone's language. Like, that's not even my mother tongue, so give me a break. அடுத்தது முகத்தில் blush idam. Blush inde Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette ila irundu saffron shade edukam. Chirichu apply cheyam. Moving on to the eye. Oh, never mind. Ini eye makeup cheyam. Ini kan makeup cheyam. Desert Dusk beauty palette lenne shade amber edukam. Amber eduthu crease la vekkam. So this shade is basically inspired by this actress who got married the day I was shooting this video, which my best friend pointed out, which I'm not saying in Malayalam because this actress is Bhavana. Is it Bhavana or Bhavana? Bhavana. And I'm kind of going for the look that I just saw, like on the spot right now. And she can vouch for me for that. Isn't it real? I just saw the makeup look. So I'm just gonna try to imitate what I just saw in the picture. Nan noticed never mind. I noticed in her makeup that she had like a rose shade on top in the crease that was cut and blended really well, and a very shimmer shade into the corner of her eye that transitioned throughout the eye, which is what I'm gonna go for with the shade Nefertiti. After I apply Eden all over my eyelid. So I'm gonna apply Eden. Ippam njan shade Eden apply cheyam. What do you say beautiful in Malayalam?
Sundari.
ഇപ്പം Nefertiti shade Nefertiti shade എടുത്ത് inner corner eye, inner corner of കണ്ണ് കണ്ണിന്റെ inner cornerൽ apply ചെയ്യാം. I'm gonna go with English for this bit. So yeah, as you guys can see how I'm applying it, I'm not gonna go above the crease. I'm just gonna make sure all this glitter is concentrated in the inner corner of the eye and then transitioned outward but kept inside the crease. Just building on the shade in the inner corner. Moving on to the shade Amber again, and just blending the outside as well as the inside. This is turning out to be like literally an English tutorial. Crease ullam. Crease inde ullil blend cheyam. Natural look ആണ്. Intensify to intensify the look, I am going to take the shade Oud, the dark brown, and just keep it on the corner of my eye, just to give a more smoked out effect, and that's how I saw it in the picture. So I'm gonna just do that. Taking the shade Nefertiti, I can't say Nefertiti. The shade Nefertiti. Taking that shade, I'm just going to apply it down and follow it as shown. And then move on to the shade Amber and transition it. So next അടുത്തത് ഞാൻ eyeliner mascara apply ചെയ്തിട്ട് വരാം. Good. നല്ല ഡാർക്ക് ആയിരുന്നു. അവങ്ങളുണ്ട് ചേച്ചിയുണ്ട് eyeliner. I don't want to say, I mean she's old, I mean she's not that old, but it makes me feel like I'm not giving her respect. Under കണ്ണിന്റെ അടിയിൽ, oh it's just like Tamil, കണ്ണിന്റെ അടിയിൽ apply ചെയ്യാം. What do you guys think? Mascara ഇപ്പം apply ചെയ്യാം. Eyelashes ഉണ്ട്. Was it right? Eyelashes ill. How do you ill it? What's kanpili illa? That's called kanpili? Kanpili illa. I think I'm gonna look like extremely Bhadrakali types. Must cry. Mascara apply kalinju. Eyebrows shayam. I still have unruly eyebrows. How do you say eyebrows that don't listen to you? I can't say kan mayru. Is that a bad word for you guys too? Okay. Kan nimai. Eyebrows are unruled, and I seriously need to get Purugam. Unruled ano. Anu. Okay, so I noticed that she did a lip that was, I'm gonna plump up my lips in a faster way. Like, come on, she's a bride, she definitely plumped her lips, so I'm gonna use menthol licks. Oh god, I have Vicks in my mouth now. Nanippum Vicks upayogichu. Lips ko kya bolte hain? What? Chund. You guys have mund, chund, plum chayam. I don't know what I'm saying. Oh god, I'm such a disgrace. Lip contour chayam. Classic brown lip liner use cheyam. Reddish brown shade on. 3 lines at the bottom and an X at the top. I don't know how you say that in Malayalam, so I'm just gonna leave it that way. I'm gonna use Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade, is it Icon? I think it's Icon. If it's not, I'm gonna like let you guys know later. Ippam Huda Beauty matte lipstick use cheyam. Bhavana Kalyanathil used Ubhayogitha lipstick vandu as Tamil. Ubhayogicha lipstick. Reddish pink, but more on the pink side, Ano. So nan in the lipstick Ubhayogikam. It's not that bad. Are you gonna give me that sarcastic laugh? It's seriously not bad. Ariyam sufficient ano. Anya. I went to Korean. Anyayo. How do I say it's enough? Adumadi. Adumadi. Pashe. Pashe is my favorite word actually. I don't know why. I just really like it when people say Pashe. Yeah. You're like that butt is just butt it seems. That butt. Pashe just makes me super excited. Nyan Sundariano. That's so weird and that's so cliche if I go like, am I looking beautiful? Do I look beautiful? Either Kashtamana failure ano. I don't know, this is like such a bad failure is what I want to say. Kashtamana failure ano. Oh god. Okay. So I guess this video worked out. I mean, I think the makeup looks really good. I'm not gonna open my hair because it's oily. And frankly, to tell you guys the truth, the makeup looks really good. I love how my eye came out and the highlights on point. The lipstick's pretty good. Pashe enak bhayangara ishtam in the video shoot cheyidadilla. Swagatam again. Is it Swagatam?
Welcome.
Thank you. How do I say it?
Nandi.
Nanni? No, Nandri. Nanni.
Sound like Chinese.
I sound like Chinese? That is so racist. Okay. Nanni. Babe, you're gonna keep laughing as I say Nanni. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Bye.
In the crossfire.